Augusta Savage, Institute of Visual Arts. My name is MichaelL.Manning. With this school year coming into the 2009-2010 school year, this is my second year as principal of the Augusta Savage Institute of Visual Arts. So far this year, we've expanded the visual arts program to include a total of 11 visual arts classes. Students now, starting with the 9th grade year, at the end of their 9th grade year, they'll be able to follow 2 different tracks of visual arts programs. And as they matriculate to become seniors, every senior starting with the 9th grade will be able to graduate with a digital portfolio of all of their work from the 9th to the 12th grade year of the classes that they have achieved thus far. That's one thing I'm really excited about, because we can now produce students with actual documents and work to go out into the workforce or to college with a portfolio, with their experience and what they've gained while they've been here at our school.
I built these for different shows in the city.